Hello, welcome. Today let us have the class on exponents and powers. This chapter is not at all new to you. From your class 6, you are learning this chapter, but little more complicated ones you will be having in this chapter. Okay? Let me explain you what are exponents. Suppose a into a into a. If we multiply a 3 times, we get a cube. We get a cube. In a cube, a is called the base and this 3 is called the exponent. It is also known as power or index. Same way, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 to the power 4. Or in a reverse way, let me write minus 3 whole to the power 5 means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 3. Minus 3, if we multiply 5 times, we will get minus 3 whole to the power 5. So, this is base, this is exponent. A cube means A is the base, 3 is the exponent, and here 2 to the power 4 means 2 is the base, 2 is the base, and 4 is the exponent. 4 is the exponent. And here minus 3 is the base and 5 is the exponent. 5 is the exponent. Okay. Same way, fractions also. 2 by 5 square. Whole square means 2 times. 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. 2 by 5 whole square means 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. That means 2 square by 5 square. Numerator square by denominator square. Okay. Now let me explain you. If 1 is the base or exponent, what happens? 1 as base and also exponent. Let me explain you. A to the power 1 means A. 5 to the power 1 means 5. Similarly, 3 by 5 whole to the power 1 means 3 by 5. Okay. From this, what can we understand? Any number to the power 1 means we get the number itself. If it is minus also, minus 2 by 7 whole to the power 1 means minus 2 by 7 only. So by this we can understand that any number means whatever may be the base, if the power is 1, we get the same base. Now, if 1 is the base, what happens? Let us see. 1 to the power 5 means 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. If we multiply 1 5 times, we are going to get 1 only. So 1 to the power 1 to the power 5 means 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. If we multiply 1 5 times, we are going to get 1. Not only power 5. So 1 to the power any number gives you 1. When you multiply 1 number of times, we get only 1. Okay. So any number to the power 1 gives you the number itself, and 1 to the power any number gives you 1 itself. Okay. And if the base is minus 1 to the power 5, that means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, into minus minus, into plus, plus into minus minus. 1 how many times you multiply? Also 1. And let me show you 1 to the power 4, minus 1 to the power 4 what gives? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. And when you multiply 1, you will get 1 that plus 1 or simply 1. That means minus 1 to the power odd number gives you minus 1 and minus 1 to the power even number gives plus 1. Not only this, minus to the power, minus of any number to the power odd number gives you negative answer and minus to the power even gives you positive answer. That means, let me give you one example. Minus 2 to the power 2. Minus to the power even number means plus 2 square is 4. If it is minus 2 whole to the power 3. Minus to the power 3 cube means odd number. Minus 2 cube. When you multiply 2 3 times, you will get 8. So minus to the power odd number always gives minus and minus to the power even number always gives you plus. And few more things in this part you are going to learn. Reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal means numerator will be the denominator and denominator will be the numerator. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. If it is a whole number, the reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5 because 5 means 5 by 1. 5 means 5 by 1. So 5 by 1 will become 1 by 5. And one more, a into b whole to the power n gives you a to the power n into b to the power n. Let me give you an example basing on this. 2 into 3 whole square means 2 square into 3 square. If you have to evaluate, you can find the value. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, that is 4 9s are 36. Same way, a by b whole to the power n means if it is 2 by 3 whole square, we will get 2 square by 3 square, that equal to 4 by 9. That means a by b whole to the power n means a to the power n by b to the power n. A to the power n by b to the power n. So 2 by 3 whole square means 2 square by 3 square, that gives you 4 by 9. So in this connection, let me give you one example. Okay. Basing on this, let me give you solve one example for you. Okay. Evaluate 6 by 5 whole to the power 5 into 5 by 12 whole to the power 4. That means you have to evaluate and express the answer. Express the answer in lowest terms. In lowest terms. So let me solve for you. Six by 5 whole to the power 5 into 5 by 12 whole to the power 4. Let me do. It is good for us if we, now here 6 is there, here 12 is there. We know that 12 is the multiple of 6 or 6 is the factor of 12. Here power 5 is there, power 4 is there. But it is very good in these cases if we factorize in form, means prime factorize the numbers. 6 means 2 into 3 whole to the power 5 by 5 itself is prime number, 5 to the power 5. Here 5 to the power 4. 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 whole to the power 4. Any problem? Already you have learned x by y whole to the power a means x by a whole to the by y to the power a. Now let us learn 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 4 by 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. Now let us see 2's, 3's, 5's, let us separate. Here 2 to the power 5 and here 2 to the power 4. Here 4 is there, so what I will do is 2 to the power 5 means 5 times you have to. Actually by now you have not learned the laws. So let us do like this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by here 8 2's are there. 4 into 4. 4 2's into 4 2's. Okay. Similarly 5 3's are there. 1 2 3 4 5 and denominator 4 3's are there. 1 2 3 4 and 4 5's are there and here 5 5's are there. Actually by now you have not learned the laws, so this is the way you have to do. Or now you can cancel like this, you can cancel 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 here 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. If you cancel you are getting in the numerator not 1 3 is there. Okay, numerator 1 3 is, denominator what is left? 1 2 3. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 1 5, 8 5's are 40. Okay, this is very lengthy you're feeling. If you're feeling this, because actually after learning the laws it will be easy for you. Before that also one more way you can do. So let me write here, this is equal to 3 by 40 I am writing here. The other way I am doing here. If you feel this very lengthy, after this, okay, we can do like this. 2 to the power 5 but here 2 to the power 4 is there. Let us do 2 to the power 4 into 2. Okay, any problem? Similarly here 3 to the power 4 is there. So let me write here 3 to the power 4 into 3. And here 5 to the power 4, here 5 is there, here we will split. By, here 5 to the power 4, 5. Let us write 5 to the power 4 into 5. 2 to the power 4. Okay. Again here one more 2 is there. So this let me split 2 cube into 2 into 3 to the power 4. By seeing the numerator and denominator which can be cancelled, you can see. Now this 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4 will be cancelled, 3 will not be cancelled, 5 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4 will be cancelled. In the numerator 3 is left. Here 2 cube is 8, 5 into 8, that is 3 by 40. So this way or this way can be done. But after learning the laws, it will be more easier. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Please go through and make the concept clear. Thank you.